Investigations have shown that dangerous and non-compliant products sold through online marketplaces are putting consumers at risk.
But the problem doesn't end there. These products also put UK retailers, businesses and manufacturers that comply with the rules at a competitive disadvantage.
Updating product safety legislation for the digital age can drive economic growth by levelling the playing field between online marketplaces and compliant UK businesses and products.
To unlock this potential, forthcoming regulations must impose clear product safety requirements on online marketplaces, matched with powerful enforcement mechanisms.
Online marketplaces have enabled a lot of legitimate businesses and brands to reach their consumers and find their audience. However, it has also enabled bad actors to take advantage of the opportunities for difficult enforcement to be able to place unsafe or non-compliant products.
Responsible UK brands and retailers invest heavily in product testing, certification, compliance and traceability to meet strict UK safety standards.
Creating fair competition will encourage high street businesses to invest and grow their business.
We believe it is critical that the role of an online marketplace is updated and transformed into a legally accountable actor in relation to product safety.
This is not about imposing unnecessary burdens on compliant businesses. Rather, it is about equipping regulators with the tools needed to address repeat offenders.
Removing illegal products from online marketplaces will enable legitimate high street businesses to compete.
The Products Regulation and Metrology Act is critical in ensuring that online marketplaces are held directly accountable for the safety of products sold to UK consumers.
We urge the government to do everything in its power to hold online marketplaces to account for dangerous products sold through their platform.